bit, we made it that far at least. But we're still going to get home, we're still going to come to see the rest of you. We're on our way to Masterton to the drag strip. If anyone around this area wants to come down, come on down. We'll be there in about probably an hour and a half, if that. But yeah, so it's only the Serrator and Charlie tour now. Yeah! But so that's what's happening with us. We went to Coles last night. Cole worked his ass off to get his car going for us. We took it for a bit of a spin. The fucking thing is an animal. He's an animal. Love it, love his work. So that was cool. That was actually a bit of a highlight for me. I want to see that car, I want to be in that car. Yeah man, Cole's the coolest dude. But here we come, Masterton, we'll be there soon. And then maybe we're going to head towards Okuni tonight maybe, is the plan. Might go to the Mardi Gras, put a dance up, see how we go. That's what we're doing, that's where we're at. We've done north to south, we've done north, west, south. When to come up through the middle, we're going to probably miss Gisborne. Hence the weather. Sorry boys, but we're still going to try and get out to Whakatane if we can on Monday-ish, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we're going to hang out around Rotorua, Tauranga ways. I think Tauranga on Thursday we're going to stay with one of the pros, and he's got a bit of an event going on with the Rotorua boys and the Tauranga boys. Still haven't heard back from Hayden. But he's obviously going to put something on with his crew. But yeah, it's just hard to get things going when we're on the phone on the road all the time. That's what we're trying to think about doing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go there, we're going to see you. If you see us yell out, scream out. Things are good, the band's still going.